So if you've seen my videos before, you know that I absolutely love my 2025 YZ250F, and I love the engine on this thing. I love the power that it has. But today I'm going to be testing out a new mod that is supposed to give this thing more power everywhere. So a guy named Jesse over at Williams Motorworks sent me a new airbox for my YZ250F. You can't see the mod because it's under here, so I'll put a video of it up on the screen. And Jesse told me that he tested over 25 different airbox designs, dyno tested them, field tested them, and didn't release one until he was satisfied with the results that he has. But specifically, he found even a 2 horsepower gain in the mid-range. So I'm very, very excited to test this thing out. As you can see, my bike is pretty much stock. I don't really modify things a lot. One, because I'm cheap and I don't like to spend money on it, but I only like to put mods on that really make a difference. Let's go get out on the track and see what this thing feels like. In addition to the airbox that he gives you, he also gives you a map that you can download into the Yamaha Power Tuner app. Like I said, I really love the engine on my YZ250F, so I'm interested to see if this actually does make a difference and it makes it better. I'm gonna go out and do one warm-up lap, and then I'll let you guys know how I feel about it. Alright, so where I'm mostly feeling this new air move is absolutely the bottom and the mid. It's hard to say if I feel it all the way up top, but I definitely feel it in the bottom and the mid range. We're gonna do 4th here. Yeah, like I can roll into 4th gear so much easier with the new air boot. 3rd. I'm testing out how this thing feels without using the clutch to see how much more bottom end. Right there, that was 3rd gear, again, no clutch. 4th gear, no clutch. Power just rolls on so nice. I'm like over jumping the crap out of that. And then this corner is a good test too, because I slow down a lot. Stay 3rd. Woo! That's what I gotta do. I gotta get on the front. Weight those foot pegs in that chop, that braking bump. You're not going to put this thing on and your bike's going to instantly feel like a 450. But it absolutely makes a difference. 100% it makes a difference. Fourth gear around this corner again. Oh yeah, dude. Just carry your momentum so nicely without having to downshift as much. I think the most important thing to understand is even if it's only giving me like 1 to 2 horsepower, that's really significant and usable around the track. Like 1 horsepower honestly is a lot for any mod. Yeah, dude, I can slam into that 4th. Ah, I missed it. Woo! Gotta let people know you're here. Look at this. Traffic is crazy right now. Stay 3rd again. No clutch. Yeah. Like I can hammer on the throttle way easier. Whoa, Dusty. Without expecting it to like bog down. Before, if you would really hammer on the throttle in a low RPM, like if you went from no throttle to near full throttle, it would want to almost bog. But now with that new air boot, I swear, oh, buddy. I will be totally transparent with you guys. I don't love the map that he gave me. So I'm still running my favorite map. I'll put it up on the screen. Oh! A little too much front brake. But that was a good example. I like really low RPM. It came around that corner, 4th gear. Like this corner specifically, I used to have to downshift into 2nd if I didn't want to clutch it. Now I can just keep it in 3rd. I'm doing that corner in 4th instead of 3rd. Third gear, no clutch. Hammer it. There we go. 4th gear, we're still going to clutch it a little bit. Just to light her up. See if we can hit that berm a little bit. Oh, slide! Yo! Holy shit, bro! That was sketch. Dang, Noah's ripping these days. The last time I rode with Noah in front of me, he was on like a Honda CRF 110 trail bike, and I was on a KTM 252 stroke. Track is absolutely packed today. Dusty. Oh. Lugging, carrying forth into those dry corners. It's so helpful. No, I was going to take that inside, but my brakes, I just started sliding. But that low end grunt, that mid range, man, does it feel good. Smooth, usable power is what it gives you, which in reality, that's what you want. You want a boost in power, but you want it to be smooth, controllable. That's what this air boot with the YZ250F gives you, baby. These corners that I used to downshift into 3rd. Feels really good being able to use 4th. I feel like it allows me to carry my momentum a whole lot better. catch you a little bit on this inside. We got side by sides. Woohoo! Got 'em. Oh shit. Rider down. Little sketch. Where's the rider? Okay, here he is. He's good, he's tough. So I know it might be a little bit hard to hear me out there on the bike, but I like to review it as I'm riding because it's truly what I'm feeling. Like, I tell you exactly how I think immediately after I feel whatever change it is. So it was a good day testing the new Williams Motorworks air boot. Like I said throughout the video, there is absolutely a noticeable power increase. I would say mostly in the bottom and the mid-range. Like, you can lug a higher gear and use the throttle more aggressively without the bike like bogging down, and that's like the most positive impact that I can say that this thing has. Overall, it feels good, it runs well. I do have to say, I think I like my personal map more than the map that he gave me. But if you guys are interested in picking up one of these air boots for yourself, go ahead and contact Jesse at Williams Motorworks on Instagram. He'll get you hooked up with this thing. I hope you guys enjoyed that video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.